I'm gonna show you how to add oil to your 2015 Mercedes. This is a C250. I'm gonna show you right here. This is a C250. So I'm gonna show you how to add oil. The hardest thing is opening the hood, finding the hood latch. First, you look under there and you'll see this little red latch. Pull it. That's to pop the hood. That's the hardest part of this job. And once we get the hood open, I'm gonna show you how to add oil. And I'll show you what type of oil you need. Okay, this is the type of oil that we're using right here. It's a 030 weight. You see right there, it's for European vehicles. So I put this type of oil in there because when you're dealing with these Mercedes and BMWs, the stuff is pretty sensitive. So you're gonna be using this motor oil right here. Just find a little latch, and we open it up. So the only thing you need, just get you one of these funnels right here and get you a rag and your oil. That's all you need. So first what you wanna do, and you can check it first, and make sure you take that stick out, you wipe it off. And this is the dipstick. Put it back in there. Go all the way, make sure it's pushed all the way down. Pull it back. And you see it's about right there. So I need to add a little oil. You need to be in this range right here. And you'll get a sign there on your vehicle there in the display to tell you to add some oil. Only thing you need to do is just take this cap off and go counterclockwise. Take your funnel, get your oil. You don't want to overfill it. And I know how much it takes. I could put this whole thing in there and that'll be enough. Just put this cap back on. You're gonna turn it clockwise. Make sure you turn it all the way. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start the vehicle up for a minute. Just let the oil cycle. I'm gonna take this dipstick out and just wipe it off first. Put it in. I'm gonna check it. And as you can see, it's about right there. And I can add a little bit more, but we're gonna get the oil changed here probably in the next week. But as you can see, it didn't make it in this level right here, but it is touching right here. So I probably should add another quart. All right, thanks for watching. And that's all it takes. And that's how you add motor oil to your Mercedes C250 2015.